Are you 40 to 80 plus worried about losing independence? Hack your home into a safe fortress with smart tech and cheap upgrades. Slash fall risks 50%. Save $70,000 a year versus assisted living. Watch now. Welcome. 77% of 50 plus prefer aging at home over $73,000 a year facilities. Falls hit 1 in 4 seniors. Fix with $10 to $200 hacks. Bathroom, kitchen, lighting, smart tech. Bathrooms, 1/3 falls. Grab bars, raised seats, non-slip mats, shower benches / handles. 80% safety boost. No bending. Pull-out shelves / lazy Susans, lever handles, Alexa for timers / ovens. Motion lights, remove rugs, portable ramps, stair handrails / tape. Alexa / Google, lights, reminders, fall detect. Boosts independence 30%. Quick wins, declutter, bars, lights, smart plugs. Funding, U.S. HUD grants, UK DFGs. Assess today. Like /sub/comment. Which hack first? Stay free.